Hey guys, welcome back to Front Seat Driver. My name is Jason. Today we're going to install a set of seat covers for the CA Corvette from Custom Interior, available at eosextremeonlinestore.com. All right, so we have it out of the box, and I just wanted to show you the quality of these. These things are absolutely fantastic. Look at the stitching. Everything looks absolutely beautiful. Such good, high quality for seat covers. This is the back of it right here. You can see all the stitching through there. These are absolutely spectacular. We're going to go ahead and get them installed right now. All right, guys, so we're going to start with the backrest here. The first thing you want to do is make sure that it's unzipped. And one cool thing I wanted to show you is it also has a pocket in the back, so it gives you a nice little bit of extra storage. The first thing that we're going to do before putting it on, though, is go ahead and remove the seat belt from the clip that holds it into place. And notice there are some J-hooks, so when it does go all the way down, you're going to want to hook them. And then it has these other clips that are going to go in between the bottom of the seat and the back section right here. But let's go ahead and slide these on. One other thing. It will be very obvious which side is which because you will have the cutout for the seat belt. So that will allow you to know if it is the driver's side or the passenger side. Let's slide this down. All right, and we're going to zip this down right here. And we're going to hook in our J-hooks. So there's a little bit of a gap inside here, but once this has been stretched out from usage, it will go ahead and conform to the seat. All right, so the next step is going to be to install the bottom seat part. So as you can see, again, there's some more J-hooks. They don't need to be connected. These clips here and another section that connects just like that underneath. But let's go ahead and get this put on and see what it looks like. Tuck these in here. That has to be able to fit through there. All right. All right, so get that pushed in. Now pull the seat forward so we can clip the two clips in the back. All right, that's going to do it for today. And as you can see, these car seats look fantastic. Hope everybody enjoyed the video, and there will be a link down in the description. Have a great week. Thanks for watching.